When the recorder is on, short press the blue button once to view the recording status. Each time any button is pressed, the red light flashes once to receive the signal. After the recorder is turned on, long press the red button once to reset the Wi-Fi password. After the voice announcement indicates that the Wi-Fi has been reset successfully, you can release the button.
Wi-Fi reset successful.
When the recorder is on, short press the red button once to enter the emergency recording mode. If the remote control's red light stays on for about 5 seconds after pressing either the red or blue button, it indicates an abnormality in the recorder. Please check whether the memory card is not inserted, the memory card is abnormal, or the front-rear cameras are abnormal. After the motorcycle is powered off, the machine will automatically activate the parking monitoring function when it detects vibration. When the parking monitoring function is enabled, the button function of the wireless controller will not be available temporarily. After startup, you can view the parking monitoring video in the app. Enter the Wi-Fi setting interface of the phone. Find the corresponding Wi-Fi name starting with Motard or Visto. Enter the number to connect to Wi. Then open the app, click Enter Recorder. You can see the real-time image. Click the button in the upper right corner to switch between the image of different cameras. Click the button at the bottom right to switch to full screen display. Click Online to view the files in the memory card. Click the Edit button to delete or download video files. After downloading the video, you can go to the local page to play it. After successful GPS positioning, the recorded video can be played to view the driving trajectory. You can also view it in full screen. Click on the video and you can edit it. After editing the video as needed, it can be shared. The settings page can set the loop video time, sound record, and other functions.